Good morning students. Today we will start introduction to Scratch. Student, let me introduce you to Scratch programming, a very interesting software for creating games and animation. Student, let us first start with program and programming language. Program. In our daily life, we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Any task that we perform includes various steps. We complete it step by step in a particular sequence. Okay student, let's learn with an example. Suppose a teacher asks Kabir to bring notebook of his class from the computer lab. Since he is new in the school, so she guide him to way to reach to the computer lab. She gives instruction to the Kabir in the following manner. First, she will tell, move left from the class and go straight. After leaving 5 class, take a right turn. Move forward and after leaving 6 class, take left turn. Then you will reach to the computer lab. Then Kabir is able to reach to the computer lab. Likewise, a computer follows stepwise instruction to complete any task which is called a program. A computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer. Everything that a computer does from the starting up to setting is done by a program. It means when you will start your computer and you shut down your computer, its all work is done by the program only. It means program helps the computer to work. Student, any game that you play in your phone or in your computer is nothing but that is a program. Even the virus written for the computer is also a program. Means all these are the program. Means a program is a software that helps computer to how to work. The language used to write program is called programming language. Means here, these all are the examples of programming language like HTML, C, Java. These all are the programming language, and who write these programs is known as programmer. Here, a girl is writing program in the computer. It means this girl is a programmer. Students, before starting Scratch, do you know Scratch is developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT, led by Mitchell Resnick in 2003. It means Mitchell Resnick is the founder of Scratch. Scratch can run easily on different operating systems including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Scratch is easy to learn. Now student, introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a programming language that create your own interactive stories, animation, games, music and art. Let's how to start Scratch. Following are the steps for starting Scratch. Step 1. Click on Start button. Choose All Program. Then click on the Scratch 2 icon. Now I will show you practically how to open Scratch. This is your computer window. First you click in this Start button here. Click here. Then you may see this box will appear. Then you have to click in All Program. After clicking All Program, you may see here it is written Scratch 2. You have to click here. You may see this is our Scratch to window. This page is set to be Scratch to window. This is our first page in Scratch. Now student, let us know about Scratch components. Here you can see this page. This page is set to be, this white page is set to be stage, and this cat is set to be sprite. This is called stage and this is our sprite. Now let us know about sprite. These are the main components of Scratch. First is sprite. It is a small character that perform action in Scratch project. Scratch provide a number of inbuilt sprite. Cat is a default sprite in the Scratch. It means if you want to change this cat, you may change. If you want butterfly, if you want ball, bat, whatever you want, you can import from the library. Cat is a default sprite in the Scratch. Now I am going to change how to change this sprite. You can see this is our Scratch to window. Here new sprite is written here. You can see choose sprite from library. You have to click here if you want to change this cat. Click here. You can see so many sprites are here. You may choose any one from here. So many options are there: animal, fantasy, letters, people. What you want, you can choose from here. Students, I am going to choose this butterfly. I like this butterfly. I have chosen this. Click here. Then click on OK. You can see this butterfly is here in the screen. You can see this butterfly is in the screen, and I am going to delete this cat from this stage. So click it and go to this component. Here scissor is there. Click in this scissor and click this cat. You can see the cat is deleted now. After this sprite, our next topic is stage. Stage, it is the main working area where the sprite moves, performs action as per given instruction. Here you can watch stories, games and run a Scratch project that you have created. If you want to change the stage, you may change according to your story, according to your animation, according to your project. Let us see how we will change this stage. Students, we have already taken a butterfly, so we will keep this butterfly in the garden. Students, here it is written new backdrop. You have to go to this option and click in this option. Choose backdrop from the library. You may see so many images will come here. This butterfly we are going to keep in the garden. So we will choose theme from here. We will choose nature. Just go to the nature and click here. You may see so many themes are here. Choose anyone, whatever you like, you may choose. This I like much. That's why I am going to choose this flower. Flower you all are watching now. Flower. Then click on OK. You may see this butterfly is in the page. If you want to see this, then you have to click in this option. Click here. Now you may see this butterfly in the garden with flower. I hope student you understood about stage and Spreetbot, and other components we will discuss in next video. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.